Hi everyone, my name is Mehmood Sheikh and from past few videos I have been working on developing a Dance Academy website using PHP, MySQL, jQuery and Bootstrap framework. In my last video I completed the functionality of displaying various feedbacks that are uploaded by students, and now in this video I will discuss about displaying register and login link here at the header. Okay, so now before coming to our today's topic, I just want to tell you guys that if you guys like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any queries, then let me know in the comment section. So now let us start our discussion on displaying register and login button on the header. Okay, so here right now I am in my header PHP file, and at the beginning of this tutorial series I had completed writing down this PHP and HTML code, and this code I had written to show a drop down with logout option, admin option. Okay, so whenever an admin or an instructor or a student gets logged in, to display appropriate menu items inside the drop down at the right side of the dashboard, I had written this code. If you guys have not seen those videos, I would just recommend you guys to watch those previous videos as well. So now let us start working on displaying register and login links at the header. So now here you can see here I have created a URL, and that URL link is to display the URL on which currently I'm in. Okay, so as you can see right now I'm in dance academy index.php URL. So now this PHP code will return me the current URL. Save it. Okay, now you can see it's displaying me the current URL. So now I will check with this URL. Okay, if the current URL is equals to index.php file, then at this point I will display both the links like register and login. Okay, if the user is at login PHP file, then I will display register page, and if the user is at register page, then I will display login, okay, link at the navigation menu. Now let's see next here. As I had said that here I am comparing this URL with this URL. Okay, suppose if the user is at the login PHP file, then I will display a register link. Okay, let's save it and refresh. Okay, so now I will go to login PHP file. So now you can see I can see register link. Okay, so when I click on register link, I must be taken to the register page, and at this time I want to display login link here. So here I need to do that I have done in the else if condition. So now here again also I'm doing the same thing. I'm comparing this URL with the register page URL. Okay, then if I'm on the register page URL, then at this time I want to display login link at the navigation menu. Let's refresh. Okay, so now you can see login is displaying, and when I click on this, it will take me to the register where I am showing the register link, and when I click on register, it's taking me to the login link. Okay, so now next is when I am on the home page, I want to display both the register and login page. So to do that, here I have written one more else if condition where again I am doing the same thing. I am comparing this URL with the home page URL, and along with this one comparison, I am also checking if the admin user is not logged in, or an instructor is not logged in, or a student is not logged in. Okay, so if the user is at the home page and if none of these user types are logged in, then I will display register and login link at the navigation menu here. We just save it and let's refresh the page. Now you can see I'm displaying register and login links at the navigation menu. So now when any of these user types, whether an admin or an instructor or a student, gets logged in, I don't want to display register login. At that time, these options will display. Okay, like admin and logout. So let's test it out. Login. Now I will log in as an admin. Okay. Now you can see settings drop down is displaying with admin and logout link. Okay. Similarly, if I log in as another user, okay, now I have logged in as a Peter who is a student. Now you can see the same options are displaying. Okay, so that means the register and login links will display only when none of the user types are logged in and when the user is at the home page. Okay, so this is what I wanted to discuss in this small video. Okay, so in this video I have covered displaying appropriate register and login buttons at the navigation menu, and in my next video I will discuss about displaying all the dance forms which belongs to this particular dance category. So whenever I click on the Indian classical dance, then I must display all the dance forms related to Indian classical dance. Okay, and the similar things to other categories as well. So that I'm going to cover in my next video. So that's all for this video, guys. I hope you guys understood how I have done this feature of displaying register and login links at the navigation menu. I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys got some useful and valuable information out of this video. If you guys like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any queries, then let me know in the comment section. Okay, and thanks for watching.